Hello my guys, Bullet here. I have a little episode, nothing big, nothing major, just let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so we have a problem with the TRLs. This is from Cartrimhome. Uh, it has water in it and the LED is already bad on this side. When the DRL is on, you can see that part is not working. And this part it works, but it has water in it, so it looks really bad. The other side is in good condition. Same thing as the turn signal. It's not working all the way. And this side is working fine. Fortunately for me, I called Cartrimhome and they sent me replacements. So this is the whole replacement, but we don't need all this part. We don't need to swap everything. The only thing that we need to swap is the LED. You have 3 screws right there on the back. Remove those 3. And the LED is out. This goes to the turn signal. This connect into the other connector, and then you replace the light. Do the same on this one. Just remove the connection on the turn signal. Remove this connection right here and remove the 3 bolts on the back. And like before, you can remove this bolt, one clip under here, another clip down here, and probably that one right there. But I think if you only remove the 2 clips, one in here and one right here behind it, those 2, and you can remove the liner and get to the 3 screws for the light. This is gonna be just an illustration because it's really hard to show you inside how to remove the bolts, but you have the bolts right here, one in here, one right here, and one on top. On this one right here, you're gonna have the fog light, the assembly in place. You have to remove this screw so you can move the fog light up, and you're gonna have access to that bolt right there, to that screw, so you can get it out. And that's gonna be the way to remove the one in the middle. Like that, you can just move it to the side so you can get access to that screw. The only thing that we need to do now is disconnect it from the turn signal and get it out. Out with the old and in with the new. My cable is connected on the turn signal. Now we just need to do the connection on the other connector and we're ready. We have the connections ready, everything works fine, and we just need to put the screws back on, and that's how you replace the light. Light is working again, no problems. Okay guys, I'll leave you with that. This little episode is just to show you, if you have these LEDs, how to replace them. And the link is gonna be in the description for those lights. And also I'm gonna leave the link in the description for my Bosla. They have 3 colors, 4 different modes, LEDs, super bright. I love those LEDs. I really love them. I'll leave you with that guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.